Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to troubleshoot common issues with QuickBooks Online. Because QuickBooks Online runs in your web browser, many common problems are actually caused by the browser itself, rather than the QuickBooks account. So if pages are loading slowly, buttons are not responding, or something does not look quite right, one of the easiest places to start is by clearing your browser cache. Before making any major changes to your QuickBooks settings, it is usually a good idea to check your browser first. Small browser issues can often create problems that look like account errors, even when your QuickBooks account is working correctly. To do that, begin by opening QuickBooks Online and going to your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're there, look near the address bar in your browser and click the Settings icon, located at the top left area around the start of the URL bar. This will open options related to the website you're currently viewing. From there, select Site Settings. This section lets you manage browser data specifically for the QuickBooks site, which is useful because it helps refresh stored files without affecting everything else in your browser. When websites save temporary files, over time, those files can become outdated or corrupted, and that may cause display issues or prevent certain features from working properly. For example, you might notice missing buttons, pages that do not fully load, unusual formatting, or features that stop responding. Clearing the stored site data forces the browser to create fresh files when you reopen QuickBooks Online. Inside Site Settings, you'll have the option to delete data for the site. Go ahead and remove that data to clear the cache for QuickBooks Online. After that, reload the page and sign back in if needed. In many cases, this simple refresh can fix a surprising number of common issues. It is also helpful to remember that clearing the cache does not delete your QuickBooks company data. It only removes temporary browser files stored on your computer, allowing the website to load fresh information. If the problem continues, the next thing to try is using incognito mode, sometimes called private browsing, depending on your browser. Open a new incognito window, and then sign into QuickBooks Online. From there, this is a helpful test because incognito mode usually disables most browser extensions by default and uses a clean browsing session. If QuickBooks works normally in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that a browser extension may be interfering with the site. For example, ad blockers, privacy tools, or other add-ons can sometimes affect how QuickBooks loads or behaves. Some browser extensions are designed to change how websites display or how information is handled. While these tools can be useful, they may occasionally conflict with accounting websites that rely on specific browser functions. Testing in incognito helps you narrow down whether the issue is related to the browser environment rather than QuickBooks itself. If you identify that an extension is causing the problem, you can try disabling extensions one at a time in your normal browser session to find the one creating the conflict. These two quick checks, clearing the browser cache and testing in incognito mode, are often the fastest ways to troubleshoot common QuickBooks Online issues before moving on to more advanced fixes. Starting with these simple steps can save time and prevent unnecessary changes to your QuickBooks account settings. Many browser-related problems can be resolved within just a few minutes by refreshing the browsing environment.